Mavs. So another TM SNA MK2 limited edition Ironman ang i-out natin. Thank you kay Bossing. Ganda. Black, red, gold combination. So kahapon nag-out tayo yung two-tone silver na frame, and then yung upper gold at saka red. Napaka-pogi. So yung Ironman natin for limited edition, wala na tayo for MK2. Ang meron na lang tayo is MK3. Kasi nakuha na yung black at saka silver combination Sige, test natin. Ganda ng tunog. For details guys, PM lang kayo sa page natin.